So for this next lesson, we're going to go over paragraphs. So whenever we set up something, if you'll look, don't get too worried because I'm going to walk through this new stuff that I have in my HTML. So if you'll look over there on the HTML, you'll see that I have all of this stuff mumble jumbled up. It definitely needs to be in paragraph form. I need to have this as a paragraph until the question mark, and then I need another paragraph break, and then another and another and another. So let's go ahead and start that off. Right here, this is just notes. Don't worry about coding this or anything. This is just notes to show you what our element paragraph or our element P is going to be doing. But along with the paragraph element, we're going to go over navigation, and we're going to go over how to tag a reference hyperlink and name it. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put this stuff up there, and after my Enigma Arch Enjoys YouTube and Twitch, I'm going to be starting this new stuff that we're stepping into. So let's go ahead and put P, and looky there, love you. Love you, HTML, for doing that for me. So we have opened up a paragraph, and we also have an automatic close paragraph. So I want my first paragraph to be this first question. So I'm going to Control C, delete, and in here I'm going to put Control V, which is to paste that into there. And then beneath that, I'm going to open up another P, and it's going to end it for me. I'm going to copy paste. I'm going to do the same thing for these last two. Okay, so now that that's done, let's go ahead and look and see what this looks like. So Control S, Control R, and looky there, we have a really beautiful setup going on. We have some great breaking up on our numbers and all kinds of good stuff. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the nav. I don't know if you guys can still hear me or not, but I'm pretty sure my earphones or my headset just warned me about low battery. So we're going to go through this. Hopefully I don't have to remake this video. So set up your nav. Inside our nav, we are going to say, we're going to tag, then we're going to reference hyperlink reference equal, and then inside that equal sign, we're going to say what website I want to go to. Let's go to Google. So HTTP Google. And then I want to name this link Google, since that's where we're going. I want to be very clear on what we are doing. Control S, Control R, and looky there, we have our little Google link. Let's go ahead and click on that and see what happens. And looky there, we have arrived to our Google website. What an amazing thing. Okay, and I believe that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching.